Source Keegan Prosser, Android Central. HBO Max launched in 2020 as the digital hub for all your favorite HBO series and Warner Media content, from classics like 6 Feet Under and The Wire to the latest films released by Warner Brothers Pictures. With so much media already available on the platform, and plans for more shows to premiere in the future, it can be tough to decide what you should watch next. As such, we've rounded up a list of the best shows on HBO Max right now. HBO shows and more. HBO Max. Find both new series and a catalog of classics on HBO Max. HBO Max provides streamers with access to film and television content from HBO, Warner Media, and DC. Subscribe now to catch up on your favorite HBO and Max. Trending now on HBO Max. When it comes to new and popular series, HBO Max is one of the best and most talked about streaming platforms on the market right now. With that in mind, we've created a list of some of the most trend-worthy series on the platform right now. OnePlus 10 Pro leaks everything we know so far. The next OnePlus flagship is launching sooner than you might think. 0 seconds of 59 seconds, volume 0%. Sponsored links. Me, Dwirux Karaboti High Technoloy RX Beacon Babe Cadtem, Nissan, Sound 5 Time. And just like that, Source HBO Max. A sequel to Sex and the City, and just like that follows Gary, Miranda, and Charlotte as they continue to navigate friendship, family, and aging in New York City. Euphoria. Source HBO Max. Euphoria stars Zendaya in her Emmy-winning role as 17-year-old Rue and follows the teenager and her friends as they navigate drug addiction, sexual relationships, and their futures. Season 2 premieres on January 9. Peacemaker. Source DC. Peacemaker stars John Cena as the titular antihero, a character first introduced in James Gunn's Suicide Squad. The new series follows Peacemaker as he attempts to achieve peace at any cost, even if that means killing people along the way. The series premiere is on January 13th. Station 11. Source HBO Max. Based on Emily St. John Mandel's 2014 novel of the same name, Station 11 centers of a group of survivors as they attempt to rebuild the world in the wake of a devastating flu pandemic. Insecure. Source HBO Max. Created by and starring Issa Rae, Insecure follows best friends Issa and Molly as they attempt to navigate their flaws and professional aspirations in modern-day Los Angeles. New episodes of the 5th and final season debut on Sundays. Drama on HBO Max. HBO Max is also a solid streaming service for viewers looking for some dramatic series. With that in mind, here are a few of the most action-packed series currently available on HBO Max. Gossip Girl. Source HBO Max. A reboot of the hit CW series, HBO Max's Gossip Girl introduces a new generation of New York private school teenagers. It follows them as they navigate both the Upper East Side social scene and the salacious Gossip Girl Instagram account. The first half of Season 1 is streaming now, while the second half starts streaming on November 25th. Landscapers. Source HBO. Based on true events, Landscapers stars Olivia Colman and David Thewlis as an unassuming British couple who become the focus of a criminal investigation when 2 dead bodies are discovered in the back garden of a house in England. Love Life. Source HBO Max. Love Life follows a single millennial living in New York City while looking for love, with each episode focusing on a new suitor. Season 2 follows Marcus William Jackson on his quest for his own happily ever after and is streaming now. The Sex Lives of College Girls. Source HBO Max. From executive producer Mindy Kaling, The Sex Lives of College Girls follows 4 roommates as they navigate their new freedom on the campus of Essex College. The series stars Pauline Chalamet, Renee Rapp, Emmerich Corp, Leah Chanel, and Gavin Leatherwood. Succession. Source HBO Max. Succession stars Brian Cox as Logan Roy, a media tycoon who inadvertently pits his 4 grown children against each other when he announces his intent to retire. New episodes of Season 3 stream on Sundays. Comedy on HBO Max. Want to laugh? Look no further. HBO Max has a variety of comedy series that will make you laugh until you cry. Here's a lineup of some of the best comedy series streaming today on HBO Max. Avenue 5. Source HBO. Avenue 5 stars Hugh Laurie and Josh Gad as the captain and owner of a fictional interplanetary cruise ship. The series also stars Zach Woods, Rebecca Front, and Suzie Nakamura. Black Jesus. Source Adult Swim. Created by Aaron McGruder and Mike Clattenburg, Black Jesus paints a comedic picture of what might happen if Jesus Christ lived in modern-day Compton, California, and worked with his small group of followers to spread love and kindness throughout the neighborhood. All 3 seasons are streaming now. The Righteous Gemstones. Source HBO Max. Created by Danny McBride, The Righteous Gemstones follows the famous yet dysfunctional gemstone family of televangelists as they work to expand their network of mega churches. The series also stars John Goodman, Adam Devine, Eddie Patterson, and Tony Cavallero. Season 2 premieres on January 9th. Search Party. Source HBO Max. Search Party is a dark comedy about a group of friends who become involved in the search for a missing young woman. Season 5 premieres on January 6th. Southside. Source Comedy Central. Shot in Chicago's Englewood neighborhood, Southside follows two friends who are stuck working at rent-to-own while dreaming about taking over the world. New episodes of Season 2 stream Thursdays. Reality competitions on HBO Max. HBO Max also features a ton of reality competition series that either aired previously on different networks or are exclusive to the platform. Here's a roundup of some of the best reality competition series streaming now. Chillin' Island. Source HBO Max. Chillin' Island finds New York City natives and rap personalities Alec Despot Reinstein, Ashok Kondabolu and Alexi Lakuti's Weintraub recruiting a variety of their friends to experience nature across 6 episodes. Season 1 features Young Thug Lil Yachty, Rosalia, Gunna, Killer Mike, Ski Mask The Slump, God, Lil Tecca, Coi Leray, and Ezra Koenig of Vampire Weekend. Finding Magic Mike. Source HBO Max. In Finding Magic Mike, a group of men learns to perform striptease-like routines until one is crowned the real Magic Mike. The winner earns a spot on the Magic Mike live stage in Las Vegas and take home $100,000. Selena Chef. Source HBO Max. Filmed during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, Selena Chef finds Selena Gomez learning how to cook in her kitchen, with the help of some master chefs. Seasons 1 through 3 are streaming now. Sweet Life Los Angeles. Source HBO Max. From executive producer Issa Rae, Sweet Life Los Angeles follows a group of 7 black 20-somethings as they pursue their dreams while living together in Southern Los Angeles. We're Here. Source HBO Max. We're Here follows drag queens Bob the Drag Queen, Eureka O'Hara, and Shangela Lakifa Wadley as they journey to rural communities across America in hopes of showing residents the human side of drag. Seasons 1 and 2 are streaming now. Docuseries on HBO Max. You'll also find a collection of thrilling docuseries on HBO Max. Whether you're into true crime or something a little more uplifting, here are our top picks for docuseries that are currently available on HBO Max. Dolores, The Truth About the Waninkoff Case. Source Max Original. Dolores, The Truth About the Waninkoff Case finds Dolores Vasquez sharing her side of the story in the Rocio Waninkoff case 20 years after she was wrongly convicted for the murder. How to with John Wilson. Source HBO. How to with John Wilson follows the titular filmmaker and self-described anxious New Yorker as he films fellow New Yorkers and attempts to give advice on a variety of relatable topics. Season 2 starts streaming on November 26th. The Murders at Starved Rock. Source HBO Max. The Murders at Starved Rock is a 3-part docuseries that explores the brutal 1960 murders of 3 women in Illinois' Starved Rock State Park. Stanley Tucci, Searching for Italy. Source CNN. Stanley Tucci, Searching for Italy follows the actor as he travels across Italy to learn about and taste the country's best regional cuisines. The Story of Late Night. Source CNN. A 6-part docuseries from CNN, The Story of Late Night tells the history of late-night television through archived footage and stories about hosts Johnny Carson, Jay Leno, David Letterman, Conan O'Brien, Jimmy Fallon, Jimmy Kimmel, Jon Stewart, and Stephen Colbert. HBO to the max. HBO Max truly has something for everyone when it comes to the series. So whether you're looking to revisit an old favorite like Friends or want to dive into something new like Euphoria or Gossip Girl, you're sure to find the content that fits your taste. The streaming service also offers a variety of shows that will keep you on the edge of your seat, whether through romantic comedy series like Insecure and The Sex Lives of College or drama series like Landscapers or Succession. If you'd rather experience stories based on real-life events, then Dolores, The Truth About the Waninkoff Case might be worth a watch. And if you're looking for something a bit more scandalous, The Murders at Starved Rock will probably keep you on the edge of your seat. In addition to shows already streaming, as well as an impressive lineup of movies on HBO Max, the platform has a new batch of series coming over the next several months. This includes Season 1 of Somebody Somewhere, which is set to debut on January 16th, and The Gilded Age, which premieres on January 24th. Season 2 of Raised by Wolves is also set for February 3rd, while the highly anticipated Game of Thrones prequel series House of the Dragon is expected in 2022. While HBO Max no longer offers a free trial, there are plenty of options to get the service through your cable provider. At add-on, you can also sign up directly through the HBO Max website. HBO Max has all the shows. HBO Max, the best of the best in HBO series. HBO Max boasts a massive and ever-expanding media library of movies and TV series from HBO, Warner Media, DC, and more. Sign up now for all the content you need and more. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. Fix all your problems. 5 things Samsung needs to do better in 2022. Samsung had a strong year for hardware with the Galaxy S21 series, A52, and Galaxy Z Foldable solidifying its position as the leading phone manufacturer. However, as we head into 2022, here are the things we feel Samsung needs to change. This is the one. This is the upcoming 2022 flagship our readers are most looking forward to. We wanted to know which upcoming 2022 flagship our readers were most excited for, and the votes indicate a clear winner with some runner-ups. 404. The 8 worst outages of 2021, AWS, Google Cloud, Fastly, and more. There's no question that 2021 proved cloud service providers desperately need to improve the infrastructure that powers our internet. So we're looking back at the most devastating outages of the year. The best for less. Refurbished phones give you great experiences and save you cash. Flagship phones are great. Paying full price for them isn't. Refurbished phones let you get a flagship device for a fraction of the cost, and these are a few of our